They're on the news at the test match in Adelaide, around about 38, 40 degrees, about the 100-degree Fahrenheit mark. There is something of a change on the way there, though. It is going to be getting cooler in the next few days. You can see there's really hot weather here, and the cooler weather begins to ease up from the southwest as the winds switch around from the north and come in instead from the cooler sea. Now, just the opposite closer to home, because we're going to get very mild over the weekend, but at the same time quite windy and often fairly wet. There's one weather front at the moment coming in. Here's the band of rain sweeping across the country during today and tonight, eventually clearing away from many parts later on tonight and into tomorrow. Probably notice the way though it lurks here in the channel. That's because it's probably going to spread back northwards again during tomorrow. A couple of bands of thick clouds showing on the satellite picture. That one through the North Sea we can forget about, but this one looking very dark, thick and angry and threatening, already producing some pretty heavy rain through Northern Ireland down to South Wales and the southwest of England. One or two other parts, especially in the southeast, East Midlands, East Anglia, pretty murky and misty at the moment. That'll probably last for a while, and this thickening cloud will bring outbreaks of rain across the rest of the country, all but the extreme southeast and eastern Scotland, the Northern Isles, by about the end of the afternoon, and it's going to be pretty wet for a time as well, although the heaviest rain easing off over Ireland later on this afternoon. After the chilly start in the east, temperatures eventually picking up to about 9 or 10 degrees, the wind increasing as well. Here's that rain this evening and tonight, eventually and very soon too, getting to that eastern part of the country, a wet spell into the night for many places, and then later on in Scotland and Northern Ireland, somewhat clearer weather coming along with just 1 or 2 showers, and the rain further south tending to turn rather lighter and more patchy, but very misty and murky with it. With the clearer skies down to about 5 degrees in the north, but a very mild night indeed in the south. Little wriggles on that frontal system mean to say that the rain's probably going to come back across the south tomorrow, pretty heavy rain and wind.